Hey, what's going on? It's Daniel. It's Friday morning. It's Phoenix, Arizona. It's amazing weather, and I'm here today, and I just wanted to kind of go over. Actually, I have an exciting announcement. I have free seedlings today, so these are my seedlings that I've been starting indoors. I started them early with a little light kit. If you had seen one of my prior videos, I actually show you Harbor Freight has a $30 light right now that has a pull cord. It's easy to install, little chains on either side. You can raise it and lower it. It's a super easy setup to start your seedlings indoors early or all year round. But in any event, I have so many, and I always do extra every year because I like to give them away to my customers or to my friends. I think this is a kale, maybe? Real dark purplish leaves. The roots are ready to get into a system. They're doing awesome. My tomatoes, I never buy tomato seeds because all I do is after we eat a salad, I just grab the whatever's left in the at the bottom of the salad bowl, and I just pour that into a paper towel, and all the little seeds from the salad get in there and they dry, and then by next season they're ready to go. But you can see my tomatoes are doing awesome. The roots are coming out of the bottom. Where's the camera? Okay, and some of these are 3 plants. I don't like to do any more than 3 plants. Even though the roots will get enough, this one's 3 plants, I might trim the smallest plant off. Even though the system has plenty of nutrients, what happens sometimes is I get low on space. So inside I have cucumbers, I have lots of basil, I'm going to do lots of pesto this year. So I'm over in Glendale, 43rd Avenue and Cactus. I'm off the next 3 days. If we're not here and you want to come by and pick some up, just let me know. So in any event, if you're not in Phoenix, that doesn't matter to you. But I wanted to share a little bit about how the systems are doing. And so I'm just going to walk you around. You can see how vibrant and bright my celery. And then I have several different kinds of kale. I'm telling people all the time that the difference between the food that you grow and eat and the food that you buy and eat is so different. It's such a different experience with regards to taste, flavor, nutrient density, yada yada yada. But these towers I sell actually, and so I do these to promote and market them. And also we look for other people who love gardening and who would like to get involved as well. So please leave me a like, thumbs up, comment, subscribe. We have a Facebook page called Modern Urban Gardeners, and we do all kinds of fun gardening systems, all kinds of gardening. So I'm going to sign off. Thanks for jumping on, and I hope you guys have a beautiful spring, and I hope to see you soon.